UAV systems. We call them as
TB2?
no. These are Aksungur and Anka. So we said these are the game changer of the operational concept. You can use these platforms for variety of operations, ISR missions, maritime operations, border security, strike missions as well. So yes, all of them, these 4 products are in operational and combat proven right now. 80 of them are being used by Turkish end users and Philippine Air Force, and hopefully in Nigerian Air Force. These Aksungur and Anka, in total they have almost 225,000 operational flight hours. You can use different kinds of payloads. EO/IR camera systems for ISR missions. We can integrate SAR radar. These are all Turkish solutions. We can integrate electronic warfare systems, payloads, and also munitions. So these platforms are totally item-free platforms.
And what is the endurance?
And this one has endurance for 30 hours, 30, and this has 50 hours, more than 2 days.
50 hours?
Yes. The maximum altitude is 30,000 feet, 40,000 feet. This can carry 350 kg payload. This can carry 750 kg payload. You can conduct all-weather operations day and night with these platforms because these are totally autonomous platforms, including the takeoff and landing. We have the anti-ice system, so you can use during the cold and humidity conditions as well. And we have different alternatives for the EO/IR cameras according to your requirements, and also SAR solutions again from the local Turkish companies, and engine options as well.
Thank you so very much.
That was this collaboration with technology exchange?
Yes, as a company, we are 100% open to have a technological cooperation. For Nigeria, we don't use the terms customer, we are using partners. So we can conduct all types of transfer of technology, final assembly line. We have an engineering enhancement program in our facility. We host your fresh graduates, engineer students in our facilities for 1 year, and at the end of this 1 year, they design, produce, develop, and fly 2 UAVs. Small UAVs, of course, not UAVs big like this one, but small UAVs. So they have learned all the steps, including the CDR, PDR, and other steps for designing the UAV systems.
Thank you very much.
So,
Turkish fighter.
This is Turkish fighter. This is Turkish fighter, sir. 5th generation fighter. Stealth. Yes. So, so this is under development right now. We conducted a rollout ceremony and taxi test is ongoing. By the end of this year, inshallah, we are planning the first flight. This platform contains all features for the 5th generations, extended combat radius, internal weapon bay, stealth mode, all features. This is a twin engine platform.
Because it's looking like the F-35.
Yes, so according to our assumptions and calculations, this is between the F-35 and F-22. Yeah. So this is a Turkish Khan, we name it.
Right.
Khan.
Impressive.
Bu tarafa mı yapalım?
This is a Turkish art, you know, and this is actually the first continental flight from Europe to Asia.
Sorry, just come back.
Yes.
Hold on, sir.
Ben.
Your card.
Defense. Okay. I have with me here. Show them what NASDA. NASDA is National Space Research Organization. You know they have a lot of things. Yes, sure. You have to have a couple of equipment component will be ranging from drone, satellite frame. This is a prototype of the satellite that was launched. I'll get my engineers and technicians to use them.
Okay, this is a prototype of the Nigerian SAR.
Speak up so that
Okay, the prototype of Nigerian SAR 2 that was launched in 2011, August 17 specifically. The satellite has 4 bands. It has a 5-meter multispectral resolution and 2.5-meter panchromatic. So then, aside from that, when the satellite was launched, the data from the satellite after the analysis have been used in security operations. Then we have, aside from the launching of the satellite, we can't use the data alone. We have to work with the security agencies. We collaborated with them. We have trained some of their staff in security applications of data from Nigeria satellite. Then, aside from this training tool, we have Joa Plus Limited, which is the commercial arms of NASA that is having different sections in the company. We train, we do consultancy services, then we assist people in satellite data applications. Then I have some of my colleagues here in different sections of the engineer Dr. Akoma is
a product that is interesting. You know, yeah. Let's talk about that.
Any of the tracking system, wherever they are, it's a tracking system. I think I wouldn't want to go into that because it has some political implications. But the fact remains that Nigeria, whether we like it or not, has a manifest destiny. Nigeria is a hegemon by nature. God made it that way. And when we had the wherewithal, and when things were less complicated, we played that role very well. I was in ECOMOG. I was eventually the first commander in Liberia when the United Nations took over. We had the capacity, we had the capability, and we did discharge our responsibilities. But like you heard from him, the parameters are different now. Politically things have changed, and then of course, when you have your child giving you a bite, you don't have to use the force you have and blow off his head, because it's your child. We just have to manage, and I'm very happy, particularly very happy with the Chief of Defense Staff for his new approach to things. And that's, if you wait and listen to the next topic, we're going to talk about modernization of the land forces to deal with insurgency and what all the contemporary issues. You get to know, yes, that is the approach to it. You don't continue doing things the old ways. Things are changing, and change is the only thing that is permanent. So we must grow up to meet the contemporary challenges of today. You have new threats. You have to define what the threats are, and then of course you have to now build capacity and capability to meet the threats. That's what it is. Because you can't continue doing things the way you used to do them. You can't continue to ride the same type of vehicle that you've been riding for the past 50 years. No, you must make improvements so that you have good output as against you just managing to say you are doing movements. No.
First, I want to thank you all for honoring our invitation at a short notice. NisecExpo is known as Nigerian Security Exhibitional Conference. We started this idea, this project in 2013, which came to fulfillment in 2014 with the first inaugural edition. The vision here is to galvanize the industry, that's the defense and security industry, to be able to address the inadequacies in our production area. The idea now is bringing the manufacturers of these various defense systems to be able to set up in Nigeria as a hub. Because if we're able to make Nigeria an industrial hub, a defense industrial hub, what it means is that Nigeria will be able to control the market in the West African region and also in the East African region. So NISEC is here actually to make available that platform which the government and the various military agencies need to grow the defense sector.
So talk to us on exactly what will be happening in the next 3 days.
Great. You have seen the presentation delivered by the CDS, the Chief of Defense Staff, who was ably represented. You see, starting from now, we are moving into the next phase now, which is the technical section, which will deal with the issues of military production. Now, the director from Defense Research and Development Bureau is here because we are trying to create that capacity with the other manufacturers that are also displaying their items here. The next section will also, by tomorrow, there will be a presentation from the Chief of Army Staff, and there will be presentation from NIDA, okay, because we try to see how the information technology can be married to military application. So there will be a whole lot of sections that we really enhance, improve the intellect and capacity of various security agencies. As you have noticed, we have delegations from Cameroon, Cote d'Ivoire, South Africa, and other countries. The idea is to create that synergy, of working together to address insecurity, not just within Nigeria and not just even within West Africa, but across the continent of Africa.